Welcome back to the Godfather Cocktail Jamaica YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing two cocktails as a tribute to great fathers across the world. Alright, so today our first cocktail is the Colbeck Negroni, right, which is a cocktail I did for Campari a few years ago, right, which includes our Colbeck Ginger Wine from Jamaica, right. So we're going to start off with 1 ounce of Campari. 1 ounce sweet vermouth. And 1 ounce of Gordon's gin. And that would be the Negroni. However, as I said, we're going to add a 1/2 ounce of Colbeck Ginger Wine. Ball of ice. Little stir. And we're going to garnish this with an orange slice. There you go. Colbeck Negroni. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.